Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China.
Guangzhou, we're in this neighborhood Yongqingfang, which I'm mispronouncing of course, but this is going to be where we're starting this video. I'll tell you all about it, but I usually give little slices of cities, and this is going to be Guangzhou in this neighborhood. We're just going to meander around for maybe 12-15 minutes, something like that, and show you what it looks like. Lots of coffee shops and all kinds of coconut. Let's explore. Okay, we got Guangzhou for you up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And yeah, actually I was just looking and trying to find some like a good neighborhood to go check out in Guangzhou. And it brought me here, which ended up being in Bruce Lee's ancestral home in Guangzhou. I just didn't expect that. Lots of really cool alleys all the way around, as you can see in the preview. And you can see exactly where it is up on the map as well. And we're just gonna get right in it as if you were there yourself. Let's do it. Guangzhou. Put the phone away. Let's go check it out. We're gonna walk around a little bit and see what we can see. Shaved. Okay. Let's meander around a little bit. We're gonna go kind of randomly. Ice cream shop. Check out some of those balconies as well. Let's kind of meander into one of these alleys here. So I think, let's see. So overview of Yongqingfang. Let's just get lost. Check it all out. It's the best way to go about stuff anyways. I was going to stick to the arcade covers, but oh, here we go. So we can see. Well, we're in for a surprise here. This is kind of meander. We are going to move down this alley just to avoid the noise. All kinds of cool stuff in here. Did not really expect that. More stuff over here too. Huh. Check this out. All kinds of cool stuff. Huh. So it's a Lingnan style, like, most likely. So we're just gonna meander around. Yongqing food. There's so much here that I'm only gonna just get a small. Okay. Let's see. Bruce Lee's former resident exhibition. That's pretty cool. Residence of Bruce Lee's father, clown character. Huh. You know that about his father? 4 great clowns of Cantonese opera. Huh. I just happened, just like the Dang. No idea this is here. Ancestral home. Let's just kind of walk in real quick. So I'm just going to go through quickly because basically it's here. We're going to move forward here. I definitely want to check this out when I have more time, but I don't have at the moment. We're kind of battling with sunlight. Just give you a little bit of a background. I live in Macau, so I'm not too far away from Guangzhou, so I can come here anytime, and I definitely will. But I'm here at the moment, so I'm just going to give a little bit of an idea. But there's a lot here to check out. We gotta get all the way back up there, so let me get up there quicker. Okay, so we just jumped ahead a little bit.
I miss you. I love you.
And we are going to go further down. So yeah, I'm just getting a taste of this neighborhood. So I have to get to Foshan this evening, basically. But I'm here now, so I'm gonna film it, give a little slice of it, and I'm gonna definitely come back and do it more extensively in another time. All kinds of cool stuff everywhere in here. Yeah. Just kind of giving you a taste. A taste as if you were there yourself. You said chips. Sadly, I'm gonna have to come back. Okay, so China is huge. So usually when I travel, I go all over the place. And the times that I've came to Guangzhou, it's also massive. So I feel like I never really I came here a few times, but I never saw some of the stuff I'm seeing at this particular time. I don't think it's a through street. Might be a dead end, I don't know. So what I'm trying to do is just give you a little slice of Guangzhou. And there'll be some other day where I come back again and I'll devote a lot more time to it. We're gonna go back that way. Mostly because I want to get back to the busy street, but we're just kind of tapping in a little bit so you know this is here, and I will definitely 100% come back to this neighborhood again and film it more extensively. So yeah, this particular area, you probably already saw it on the map. Well, they've already put it up, but it's has a lot of history. Let's go out to back to the main street here. We're in Inninglu. I'm just going to walk around in the arcades just a little bit, try to give a little bit of context of this whole neighborhood. So we were able to tap in. We saw a little bit of Bruce Lee's ancestral home. His father was a Cantonese opera. Other cool alleys there too. That's just kind of keep meandering. Huh. Got lemon tea there. That lemon tea looks tasty. Domino's looks tasty too. Huh. Okay. More interesting alleys to explore. We're just gonna see where we are. Our main goal of this particular video is just to kind of give you an idea of what's around. There's Chile. So anyways, I'm gonna definitely have to come back here again. And next video I have to go to Foshan this evening. So we're just gonna end on this big giant massive tree, and that'll be our Guangzhou video.
Got the dawn